fortunate enough to I've been fortunate enough to play with some shooters to help spread the floor for myself and what I do best, and that's being in attack mode. And you know, to be able to play with all-time greats of Ray Allen. You also play with Mike Miller, Shane Battier, James Jones, Steele. And then you get a guy like J.R. Smith who's able just to shoot the ball and have the extreme confidence that every time you let it go, that it's going in. I've been blessed to play with guys like that. When you have guys like that, you have to utilize them. While they're on the floor.
Bron, Phil Belton, can you talk about the well-set play last 37 seconds when you went for a dunk?
Well, Coach drew up a play, and we just tried to run it to perfection. He drew up a play, and double T came up and set a screen and roll, and I was able to get to the middle of the floor, and the ability, the way we were shooting the three ball tonight, kind of kept those last two defenders, at bay, and I was able to just turn the lane and make a big play for our team, at that time.
Mark Schwartz, ESPN. I have one for both of you guys. JR, before you came to Cleveland, you had a certain reputation in the league. People had a certain idea of who you were. How important was it for you to change that reputation, and what steps do you think you made as soon as Cleveland called you saying that they were interested in trading for you?
It was extremely important because more than anything, it's for my parents. The parents, they know what type of person they raised, and they know the type of person they inspired me to be. So it wasn't really for myself; it was more for them, if not for anybody.